Gaze Blabang rope and raising, I will survive. Jumps quick out of the gate, running by the wheels through and up, about to be gold bracelet, pivotal perfection. While Hardway is running in a tail of the field, out of straight they trouble. I will survive. From the outside leads Balang, followed by about to be. And around the outside, third gold bracelet, running by the wheel for through and up. Pivotal is racing, fifth banner at 2 lengths. And running by the wheel is perfection as they hit the back stretch with I will survive. Leads Balang, gold bracelet about to be through and up, sneaking by the wheel. Perfection coming closer now in fifth and Pivotal. Inside the last 600, it's still I will survive. A long shot leads Balang, followed by through and up, about to be gold bracelet. Perfection now from the outside, and the last 300 is still I will survive. Leads Balang, through and up is running by the wheel. About to be gold bracelet and perfection, through and up leads the pack now, followed by I will survive, and around the outside now gold bracelet. It is still entry number 1, through and up, gold bracelet on the outside, but still through and up, gold bracelet about to be perfection. I will survive.